Hello guys, hope you're well. So in today's video we're going to talk about trading edges. Okay, we're going to talk about trading edges. What is an edge, why is it important, and why do we keep mentioning trading edge all the time? Because a lot of traders they know about this word, right? Edge, but in reality they don't really know what it entails. That's the real meaning, what it actually means that you have an edge in the market. Now, like I've already said in the past, trading is very random. Okay, there are a lot of random aspects to it. Most of the things you do in the market is usually you know most of the things you see, most of the movies you see, and you think, like, let's say for example this move right here, right? This move right here, this down move here. You're probably looking at this thing and you're telling yourself that the reason why it went down is because there's a resistance there, right? Is that the reason? That's probably what most people will tell themselves. But the reason why it went down really had little to do with that resistance that you're seeing there. The reason why it went down is because the program the program decided that it wants to sell at that point. That's the main reason why it went down, not because there's a resistance there. Okay, now since there's resistance there, there's high probability that that program was going to sell there. Was not a guarantee. There's no guarantee that the program was going to sell it there. Same thing happened here right now, down there. When it got down here, this is support, right? And then it turned and went up there. Some people might look at it and say, oh, the reason why it went up is because there's support. No, the program decided this is a good place to buy, to push the market up. And once it got there, that was exactly what it did. Had nothing to do with this your support. Okay, when it got here, the program could have decided something else. Maybe even the program that they were using to buy it then might be turned off, might not even be there that time. So you discover that this, if you buy here now, the thing will go against you. Okay, so some people will think when you have an edge, edge just means it will make you money all the time. Okay, is that what edge means? It's not what edge means. Having an edge just tells you that there's high probability of something happening. Okay, so it tells you that whenever the market comes to resistance, there's high probability that big players or the program that the algorithm that moves the market is going to sell it at that time. It's telling you that there's high probability that it's going to do that. It's not telling you exactly what it's going to do, because that algorithm might decide to break out and go up. Okay, that's what an edge gives you, and it will never tell you what will happen on a trade by trade basis. Like on this one right here now, the edge does not tell you exactly what will happen. But if you repeat this same process of finding resistance and selling there, putting your stop loss up there, you discover that, let's say after, let's say, 30 trades, you make more profit than losses. Okay, that's all what edge means. Edge does not tell you that you are always going to win. Edge gives you a higher likelihood of making a profit after a series of trades. So if you want to have any chance of winning in the market, this edge right now is actually where you have to focus on. Okay, edge. You want to have any chance of making money in the forex market, you need to study edges. what keeps traders edge. Study places. There are areas in the market where there is more edge than others. Okay, for example, if you are trading something like Nasdaq or gold during the New York Open, there's usually more edge than before the New York Open. Okay, so these are the things that traders should be studying. Areas in the market, or points in the market where there is more edge, where there's edge. Okay, break all those edges down, and you are able to create strategies that works with those edges. Okay, so that's it. That's what an edge means. I hope y'all got it. Okay, edge is just a high probability of one thing happening over another. It doesn't tell you 100% what will happen. Okay, so after a series of trades, that your edge will put the odds of winning in your favor. After, let's say, 30 trades, in fact, after 30 trades, that edge will put the odds in your favor. Okay, so in 30 trades, you might discover that you made maybe 14 wins or 24 wins, and then you had 6 losers. Okay, so this gives you an edge of 24 minus 6. That will be 18R. So we're up 18R after 30 trades. Okay, the edge can also mean that the market will move further away, maybe very far away. Examples are trend following strategies, right? Trend following strategies, when you find an entry, usually the market will move very far in your favor. Okay, but the win rates of those types of strategies are usually very small. Okay, so you discover that for a trend following strategy, the win rate might be maybe out of 30 trades. You might discover that you made only 9 profitable trades, 9 wins, and the remaining ones were losers. But these 9 wins gives you 3 times your risk, because market moves very far in your favor when it's trending, right? So it might give you 3 times your risk on each of them. So you discover that each win, if you add up all the wins, you get 27R. Okay, if you now add up all the losses, you get I think 21R. So you still get to keep 6R profit at the end. Okay, so the edge does not just mean that there are some edges that just telling you that there's a high probability that if the market moves from here, it will go very far. Okay, and there are edges that will tell you that there's higher probability to go your way. Those ones are the ones that will give you high win rate. Example of edges that will give you high win rate are trading in ranges. Where a range trader, you discover that you can even have up to 70 to 80% win rate trading in a range. The reason is because those edges just gives you higher probability of winners, but the risk to reward will be very small. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys already got the point of trading edges. Like I said previously, the goal of all this is to create at least in the next couple of months, at least build 100 traders to make at least $50,000 on a monthly basis. Okay, this is the goal of the channel. So if I can get you to the point whereby you're consistently making, let's say, 2 to 5% on a monthly basis, reaching this goal will be very easy. Okay, so you can just acquire a $2 million funded account. So with a $2 million funded account, 2 to 5% is this amount right here. Okay, once you're consistent, reaching this amount is just a matter of time. Reaching this amount is just a matter of time. Okay, so yeah, so that is the goal. So yeah, that's a quick one. If you have any questions, any issues, you can always DM me as usual. Okay, so that's it.